Hi best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to do Happy Mail tag swap for our junk journals. So first a shout out to Nancy, Shelley, Joyce, Susan, Debbie, and Kaylee. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, you guys, I have been playing around with some coffee dyed and some splatter, and I made a whole bunch of different types of papers like that, and that is what I decided I was going to use for the base of my tag. So I cut my tag, and this is about 3 by 6, and I've got a piece of hard cardstock here, and I'm going to put these together. I went ahead and edged this in black because it's got some black splatters, and I just thought that would really make it pop. So let's get right to it as I tell you about our junk journal Happy Mail tag swap. Actually, it's called on our group in Facebook group, our Facebook group, I should say. It is entitled Happy Mail Tag Swap. And oh my goodness, I just think this is going to be a blast. So come on over to the group, and there is a secret word that I'm going to be giving out at the end of this video that you're going to need to join the group, because you know you have a couple questions you have to ask in the beginning or answer in the beginning, and there is an answer to one of those questions, and you will find that answer so you can join the group at the end of this video. I am going to sew this around the edge. I have black thread in my sewing machine, but first I guess I'm going to do this. I am going to put my little stamp. It says to and from on here, and I'm going to put it on the back. Now let's see, I want it to go this way, so I'm going to put it right here before I stitch. There we are. So when I swap, I'm going to write the person's name it goes to, and then my name. And I got these rings. Let's see if I can grab some real quick. Yeah, here they are. I cleaned up and I found these rings. They're actually steel shower rings is what they're called. And I'm going to put a hole in the ones that I get, and I'm going to save them. I'm going to put the date on them. I think that's going to be just great fun. Okay, I'm going to sew around the edge, and I'll just see in a second. All right, you guys, I've got that sewn. So let me tell you a little bit about this group. You can post your own tags that you have made. I would suggest that you post them in groups of 2. And that will keep our postage down, and I just think that might be better that way. I do know that some have been posted with larger groups, but I suggest you do whatever you want on that, but I suggest possibly groups of 2. And you can post your own that you have made, and then people can contact you to swap with them. At the end of this video, well, actually before we actually have the end of the video, I'm going to show you some that I'm going to be posting after this video has aired. I will post those, and they're eligible to swap. So, all right, my phone was ringing. I wanted to see who that was. Excuse that. So you can post your own, and then they will be eligible for people to contact you and to swap with you. There's no selling on the site. We are just swapping and having great fun and sharing what we make with each other. What else can I tell you about it? Oh, when you want to swap with someone, all you'll need to do is in the comment area, just type the word swap, and then the person will know that you want to swap with them, and then you can give your address to each other via Messenger. So that's easy to do. Let's see, what else do I have to tell you? I've written a couple things down so I don't forget. So let's see. I think that's about the gist of it. I really, really think it's going to be great fun. So y'all just need to come on over to the Facebook group, and the link to the group will be at the bottom of the video. So you can just click on that. It'll take you to it and answer the couple questions. And that secret word will be at the end of this video. And you'll be in. And we'll just have great fun, just great fun. So I just really thought that this piece of paper that I made really lends to the whites and the creams. I just really think it does. So that is what I'm leaning towards, this white and cream. I'm going to embrace it and see if I can get this to stick on there. It's not wanting to really stick. I've put some lace down, I zigzagged, and I have sewn with black thread. I'm going to get a little bit more glue on here. I'm thinking it might need a little bit more glue. And I have fussy cut out a pretty green fern. I inked it with black because I just thought that would go with what we're doing here. And I would like to, I want these dots to show. I just think they're just really pretty. So I'm going to put it right there on the corner. I'm just going to use this glue for everything. I love this glue. I do. I love it. So I hope everyone's doing well today. It's another warm day here, but we're supposed to get a little bit of rain, which I really hope we do, because my flowers need a little bit of rain to come down. I'm having to water them, and that takes time, and I have a cistern, so it's not like I'm paying for the water, but still, it does take time and effort to water, and it's really not the same. It's really not. It doesn't get covered the way rain does. All right, so I'm going to put a little label right there. I like that. And I think I'm going to put a few little gems on here just to give it something, something. Yes, I am. I'm going to put them, I think I'm going to put 3 right here. And then I'm going to put 2 right here. Let's put 3 on the bottom because it will be heavier for that heavier look. And I'm just going to get a little bit of glue on my little pokey tool that helps me get them on there. Squish them all down so they fit. Whoops, come on now. Okay, turn this over. Get this one on here. Oh, now let it go. Don't want to let go of it. Just going to put 2 right there. These are iridescent. They're not pearl, they're iridescent. I thought it'd be pretty with the white. Oh my goodness, I really like that. I'm going to go and just stitch this white cotton onto there. All right, you guys. Here are the 2 tags that are going to go as a pair on that swap. Now, when you tag someone's swap and you say, I want to swap with you, I inked the back of this one. I didn't ink the back of this one. When you tag someone's picture and you say swap and you have to exchange, you're going to give them your address, they're going to give you their address. You send them to 2 of your tags that you've made. So my suggestion is don't say swap to someone unless you're ready with 2 tags to send to them. You understand what I'm saying? So kind of work on making yourself some tags, and then you'll be ready when you see one that you want to trade for. And so when you send them tags, that'll be the surprise. So they'll get a surprise. I think that's fun. Okay, here are 2 more that I'm going to post in the swap. They look like that. And after this video goes live, then I will post these into the group. Here are 2 more. And I have 2 more like this. Oh, you guys, I really think this is going to be great fun. And I hope you all come over and join all of us in the Happy Mail Tag Swap on Facebook in the groups. Oh, I'll see you over there. And okay, for that secret word, hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness. See you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.